Welcome to the Trading Reality YouTube channel. Here we share honest trading experiences, real market analysis, and practical strategies. No fake promises and no unrealistic profits. Please remember, trading involves risk, and losses are part of every trader's journey. Never trade money you cannot afford to lose. And one more important thing, please don't blindly believe every YouTube guru, Telegram channel, or trading signal group online. Many people only care about making money from others, and some may try to scam beginners. Always do your own research and be careful before trusting anyone. In reality, if someone is consistently making thousands of dollars every day from trading alone, they usually don't need to aggressively sell signals, fake lifestyles, or unrealistic promises online. Creating professional trading videos also takes time, effort, editing skills, and often money spent on freelancers, thumbnails, promotions, and video production. So always think realistically and carefully before trusting claims you see on social media. This content is created for educational purposes only, and I'm simply sharing my personal testing results and trading experience with you. Recently, I purchased a premium trading indicator and also subscribed to an auto trading bot service. The testing process is currently ongoing, and I will share the real results very soon on this channel. So if you want to know whether these robots, indicators, or auto trading systems actually work in real market conditions, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and join my Telegram group for future updates. I may also share some tested indicators and useful tools for free inside the Telegram group, so stay connected. I spent a lot of time testing and creating this video for you. If you found it useful, please subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps me create more quality trading content. And if you want me to test any other trading robots, software, indicators, or auto trading systems, let me know in the comments below. I'll review them and share my honest results with you. You can also find my Telegram channel link in the video description below. Feel free to join, and if you have any questions, you can contact me there. I'll try my best to help you. Thank you for watching and welcome to the Trading Reality. I tested this trading signal app using the free trial version, and during my testing period, I did not lose any money using the app. However, this is not a sponsored video or a recommendation to use the app. I'm simply sharing my personal testing results and experience. This is part 1 of the review series, and I'll be posting part 2 and part 3 updates very soon with more real trading results and analysis. So don't skip the video, watch until the end, and enjoy the content.